and welcome to break 2067 for the 2020 Topps Archives 6 Series Active Player Edition. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current dates and times according to eBay. It's Thursday, May 14th, 2020. It's 9:24 p.m. Pacific Time, 11:24 p.m. Central Time, and it's Friday, May 15th, 2020. It's 12:24, now 25 a.m. Eastern Time. In the break, we have Mitch 1 spot, Clark 4, Phil 5, CBD cards 3 spots, Cardaholic 1, B with 3, Brian 1, Laddie Cards 88 with 1, E-Rock 1, My Card Spot 1, CBD Cards with 9 spots. We're going to randomize everyone 7 times to determine your team or teams for the break. Mitch on top, CBD Cards bottom once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Mitch on top, CBD Cards on the bottom. Mitch, you have the Diamondbacks, Phil Braves, CBD Cards Orioles, Red Sox, Phil Cubs, B with the White Sox, Cardaholic Reds, Clark with the Indians, Rockies, My Card Spot with the Tigers, E-Rock with the Astros, Clark with the Royals, B with the Angels, CBD Cards Dodgers, Phil with the Marlins, CBD Cards Brewers, Twins, Brian with the Mets, CBD Cards Yankees, Athletics, Phillies, Laddie Cards Pirates, CBD Cards Padres, B with the Giants, Clark with the Mariners, CBD Cards with the Cardinals, Phil Rays, Rangers, CBD Cards Blue Jays, and the Washington Nationals. Here we are, all sealed up. Whichever team's on the card, that's where the card will go. And redemption. I guess spoiler alert on that. Redemption of Coverman, Christian Yelich. All right, Christian Yelich, 2020 Topps Archives 6 Series Active Player Edition. Expires January 31st, 2022. So you'll have this in your hands next week. Whoever has the Brewers will confirm that. But the redemption here, going to scratch that off. We'll look it up. Christian Yelich. Active player, who he's currently Yelich. For the Brew Crew, Milwaukee Brewers going to CBD Cards. Congrats. On break 2067 for the 2020 Topps Archives 6 Series Active Player Edition, Christian Yelich. We want to thank each and every one of you for getting in the break and all of you watching. Don't forget to click that red subscribe button. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot, and then we're on to our next group of breaks. We'll set up 2081, 2090, and 2091. Thanks.